Hey YouTube, it's been a while since I made a update video, so had a little bit of time the last little while to get into the garage. Been working lots and it's cold, but I really want this done for summertime, so took some time last night after a couple hours of looking at it the day before to kind of see where I'm going with all this. I think the last time I talked, I probably wanted to put the exhaust manifolds forward and up, but it just didn't make a lot of sense with all the accessories that you had to deal with and the snaking in and out of. So it just made a lot more sense to point them forward and down. So I trimmed the collector on the passenger side and welded a quick U, I'll show you that in a minute, up into a Y pipe here. Let me just see if I can. I'll try to take a better video when I get the turbocharger out of the way. The passenger side I think worked out fairly well. Welded and just got a quick tack to the pipe that's gonna come across. Gonna pass that under the harmonic balancer, match up with the Y pipe that sits close to the radiator hose there, going to the water pump. But let's take a peek here. I think I've got things where I want them. Just need to wait on a couple V-bands. Let me put this down for a second and we'll get the turbo out of the way and I can show you. Ouch. So, pardon me, grabbed a Y pipe merge collector and did a quick U, pardon my welds, quick U straight up into the Y, and the other pipes going down across to the driver's side. So far everything fits, so I'm happy. Check back soon and we'll see what other kind of progress we've made.